Hey everyone, good morning, good evening. So, morning, I already explained you few trading plans, trading strategies which we need to follow. So, one of it is we basically go and see what are the bullish tickers moving in the market, right? Which tickers are moving bullish, which tickers are moving bearish. Based on that, you can just focus on those tickers. For example, if you see this 6A is moving very bullish, ZM is moving bullish, Ethereum is moving bullish, Platinum is moving bullish and Q is little bearish as of now. Then heating oil, natural gas, gold, all the right, all the crude oil. So all the crude oil, all those things are very bearish. Natural gas, heating oil, crude oil, silver, gold. So all the metals and crude oil are looking bearish. So mainly we'll focus on the sell signals on these ones, and then buy signals on the top ones. So for example, let us take example. I can create a, sorry, I can create a new list. So because, right, and then, and generally we know that metals, crude oil, natural gas, they move better in the evening time. In the morning time, YM, ES, and Q, they move well. In the evening time, mainly either metals or so I see that in the top or bottom, if you see metals or those things, that is better opportunity. So now what I can do, I can go here, create my tickers which are looking bearish, right? Natural gas, crude oil, heating oil, gold, silver, platinum, copper. So, okay, actually platinum is somewhere at the top, so I will remove the platinum. But if you see, most of these things are red, right? Out of this, especially natural gas is very bearish. Crude oil, heating oil, natural gas, silver, GC. Right, I hope this step is clear for everyone. Anyone has any questions? So because you have 30-40 symbols here, now the first point I am doing is trying to reduce my, right. If I focus only on few tickers, your success will be much more higher. You don't need to look at all the alerts of all these tickers. There are many tickers which are just moving choppy. I don't want to waste my time by looking at a choppy tickers. I want to look at either most bullish or most bearish. But I see that most of the bullish, they are they generally move most of the time. These move well in the morning time. Like YM is a US index, right? It is like your Dow Jones. So instead of focusing on the bullish tickers, I see that there are more natural gas, crude oil, heating oil. They are generally they move well in the Asia market. So that's why instead of focusing on the bullish, otherwise if I see some metals here, so I see some crude oil here, I can focus on them, focus on this. But now I'm focusing mainly on crude oil, silver, heating oil, natural gas, because I see there is a more potential. So is that step clear for everyone? Comments are enabled. So that is my number one step. So I'll go to that list. Again, they are at the bottom, right? Either they should be at the top or they should be at the bottom. So because they are at the bottom and generally they move well in the Asia market, I decided the list. Yes, this is a separate indicator. This is called as a futures trend ranker. It will look at all the 30, 40 tickers and it will tell us out of these are the best ones for bearish trades. These are the best one for bullish trades. This futures trend ranker is a separate. Now, once you are done with that, you can close it. You don't need to worry about that. Now, on this list, I can go ahead on 5 minutes. I can go ahead and create an alert on the entire list. I can go here. I can say that whenever price pulse gives a buy or gives a sell, please let me know. We can do it buy sell on all these tickets. In the same way, because there are some quick moving tickers, there are some slow moving tickers. If I also want to create alert on T3, I can also select that. I can also create an alert on RCA T3. So I created alert on both of them. So one is on the futures. Is also moving good. So I created this price pulse buy sell on 5 minutes. Price pulse, the T3 indicator, both the signals. And then we have to wait for the alerts. Whenever we receive the alerts, then we have to go to whenever we get a buy signal, we have to look at the confluence. If the confluence is good, we can take it on the 5 minutes. Or you, whenever you get a signal on 5 minutes, we can also go to 1 minute and take the trades. Right? For example, let us go and check for natural gas. Overall, natural gas is a bearish ticker. So, as I said, there are two different strategies. One is the price pulse strategy, one is the T3 strategy. T3 strategy is mainly for slow moving tickers like heating oil, crude oil, natural gas. Whereas your price pulse T3, T5, T55 strategy is mainly for your NQ, ES, all those tickers. So because we have some of the tickers like heating oil, crude oil, natural gas, I'm also looking into this. So if you get a T3 buy, at the same time, your color also changes, right? Here, your color changes from red to green, and you got a T3 buy. At the same time, this also turned to blue. This also turned to green. That means that is a perfect confluence. You can go long as your line is green. You can continue to be on the long position. Right? Here this is buyers. Here this is buyers. Here this is buyers. You can take the signals. So if you also look at crude oil, let me do one thing instead of 5 minutes. I'll create alert on the 1 minute so we can see the alerts much faster. But because it is evening time, I am creating alerts on the 1 minute. Because by the time I get 5 minute buy, 5 minute sell, again it will start going down. So I'm using 1 minute. I'm using 1 minute time frame and creating different alerts. Let me also add because ES and NQ are also moving good, right? As I told you on Friday and also today morning, because we had a huge drop, there can be a nice move up on NQ and ES tonight. So because I have a premium plan, I don't need to go to each signal and create the alert. I can just go here, create alert on the list, and then I'm going and selecting price pulse and then asking whenever there is a price pulse buy or price pulse sell, send me a notification. In the same way, I'm going to, because there are some quick moving tickers, there are some slow moving tickers. So I also went to T3 and I'm telling whenever there is a buy or sell from the T3, let me know. So we created that alert in the 1 minute because there is a slow moving time. If it is morning, we have to wait in the morning time. I'll disable this 1 minute and then I'll go to 5 minutes and create those alerts, same alerts, but in the 5 minute time frame. In the evening time, we can do it on the 1 minute. So now we have to just wait for the alert notifications. Whenever we get a notification, so here I got it on 5 minutes for NQ. But if I get any notification for 1 minute, then we can go to that ticker and then we can take the trades for those tickers. So for now, right, NQ and ES are looking bullish. That's why we took the overnight income trade. That means by the time tomorrow morning, when we get up, we'll see nice profits on the ES options. So I took long on ES during our meeting because overall it is looking bullish. So yeah. So here you can see, right? We got a T3 buy. right? This line is green. From red, it turned to green. Within the first candle or second candle, I got a buy. This one is green or this one is blue. This one is green. So as long as your T3 line is green, your T5 line is green, you can continue to hold the trade. Whenever they become red, you can close your trade. So you got a T3 buy, you also got a PP buy, price pulse buy. When you got the price pulse buy, this started from moving to the top. This started moving to the top. So if I want, I can just go and take a, because I see there are some sell orders here. I can go and just take a profit. Right? Let me close that so that we can take some new trades. But I can see that there are a lot of buyers here. Right? There is a discount zone. There is a discount zone. If I go to 1 hour and I see that there are a lot of overlapping buy orders. There is some 6,000 order, 29,000 order. So that's where what we did, we went ahead and we did a bull put here. That means we are telling that ES will not go below this price. If it goes below this price, we are ready to buy from them at this price. So if ES stays above this price by tomorrow morning, we'll make huge profits. So for example, I took some 100 contracts because that is very perfect setup. Already in the last 1 hour, that made nearly $4,000. I shared it. So, so do you see the reason, right? Because there are so many 30,000 buy orders, 5,000 buy orders, and price dropped so much. So we went and we are doing a bull put here. So we did that 60-30, 60-25 put or 60-20 bull put. Even if you got 10 contracts, that covered your monthly fee. And you can do it overnight, right? You don't need to wait for market open. You don't need to wait for uh, morning where you will be busy with your office hours. So you see that price came all the way to the bottom, started going up. You see there are a lot of buyers here. You see there are a lot of buyers here. So there is a high possibility by tomorrow morning it will move another 10-20 points. That's where even Friday last hour we also took bull puts for on NDA, Nasdaq, SPX, NDX. So they will make huge profits tomorrow. So it is not only with prop firms, you can make money in different ways with our indicators. So that's where I shared that indicator, that signal to do that US bull put, because there are a lot of buyers here. The price will go up. So if you see 5 minutes, you can see that there are a lot of buyers in 5 minutes. If you go to 1 hour, there are a lot of buyers. If you go to 1 minute, you see there are a lot of, it is in a buy, lot of buyers. It is bullish. So on Friday, it went all the way to 6014. Today, it went all the way to nearly 30 points up. So we took bull put somewhere here. That means if price stays above this price, you can keep all that money for yourself tomorrow, tomorrow morning. I already did videos. They are in the So in the evening time, your risk is more less because you don't suddenly get some news or black swan events, right? So if you see a trade as bullish, then evenings are less risky because even if it stays choppy, also you'll make money with your bull put spreads. You cannot take bull puts in prop accounts. Prop accounts you can only buy or sell. In a trading view, you can only do buy or sell just like stocks. You cannot do options in the prop firms. Yeah, this trend you can use for this night. Tomorrow morning again we can check the trend and we can take it. So now let us look at, right. I told you the reason why we took the ES bull put. So don't expect the alerts every day, right? I want you, especially if you have the indicators, you can do the same thing. If you see something close to in 1 hour, if something is above the buy order block, you can do bull puts. If you see some stock or some instrument which is below 1 hour sell order block, you can do bear calls. While you are sleeping, you can make money overnight. In the morning, you can make some 20-30% profit. You can close the trade in the morning time. Now let us go to our alerts. So now we got a signal on price pulse signal on natural gas. We got a signal on copper. Okay, for crude oil, we got a sell signal. So you can see that price changed from green to red. You got a sell signal. This turned to red. This turned to red. So now I can go and click on sell button. So already we know that crude oil, natural gas, all these are bearish. When we started the trading, first thing we identified which are most bullish or most bearish. We know that these are already bearish. And now it went all the way to the premium zone. I got a T3 sell signal. I got a sell here. I got orange candles here. Right? On a higher level, if I go to 1 hour and see, it is looking little bearish. It is right. If you see the T5, it is looking bearish in T5. So now I can go to 1 minute. So it is at a premium zone. This is red, this is red, this is red. So until your T5 becomes green, you can hold this trade. So you got a T3 sell, you got a price pulse sell, you have all sell signals, you have all sellers here. Your overall table is mainly bearish, right? Forget about the trend strength for now. If you see only these two columns, majority of the table is red. That means trend is bearish, momentum is bearish, and also there is strength in the trend, which is good. That means bearish trend 22, bearish trend 54, bearish trend 43. That means this trend can continue for longer time. So if I want, we can just go ahead and look at, okay, where there are a lot of sellers. You go above this and I can put a stop loss somewhere at around 70.5. That is my stop loss. If price goes all the way to 70.5, I'll take a stop loss. Otherwise, I can it can come all the way down. It can come all the way down to this previous day low, 70.17. So this is my target. It can come all the way to, so this is my nearly $200 profit. or I can make $100 loss. So that means your reward is double than your risk. So I'll take my profit here. I'll take my stop loss here. So you can take a shot on crude oil. And generally, when crude oil goes down, your heating oil also will go down. But volume of heating oil and RB will be very less during this time. But yeah, for now, let us focus on crude oil. So it is all about waiting for a confluence. Ankur, we started with that one, right? We use the ranker, futures ranker. We saw that CL is bearish. It is in the bottom list. That's where we started when we started our step number one. Watch list sorting every time may not work well. That is like a workaround, but every time it may not work exactly in the correct way. Let's go to some other trade. Gold. We got a indication for gold and silver. Let us go to gold. So gold, I got a buy, T3 buy. I got this one, but it already went so much to the top. And we are mainly looking for bearish, right? You already indicated that all these are bearish. My ES is bullish. My NQ is bullish. So you keep green for these two, red for all these ones. So we mainly wait for a sell signal on these ones, buy signal on these ones. So because I got a T3 buy, I will ignore that signal. Because I may get a sell signal, right? Because it already went all the way to the top. Within next 5-10 minutes, I may get a sell signal. Then I can make nice profits on the sell signal. As long as your T5 line is red, you can hold the trade. So we shorted at 70.37. Now it is 70.32. That is nearly $50 profit on each contract. If you have 10 accounts, that is a $500 profit. If you have 20 accounts, that is a $1,000 profit. But again, we are still holding because still our T5 line is T3 line, T5 line, everything is still red. This is also still red. So we can continue to hold for some more time. If I want, I can just take a buy because I got a T3 buy, I can close it. But again, it can drop further, but just I want to show you different examples. Now I'm waiting for a big drop on silver, no silver and gold. We got a T3 buy. You got a price pulse buy. You got a buy here. You got a buy here. Then it went all the way up. Now I'm waiting for a sell signal. If I get a PP sell signal, we can make nice profits on gold short. So first thing is we'll get a T3 sell. Then we'll get a PP sell because here this gave a sell signal. Here this started becoming orange. This went to the premium zone. So in few minutes we'll see a drop on gold. As of now, still it is bullish. We have to wait for that PP sell or minimum T3 sell for you to take the trade. Until that time, you should not enter any short or so you need to wait for minimum three things. You should have a confidence from three indicators. Then only you will enter a signal. We got a red sellers here. We got red here. We got PP sell here. So it may go all the way till the bottom and again go up. So I'm taking a shot on NQ We also have a lot of sell orders here. So there is a possibility for it to come all the way to the bottom. Because it is in a consolidation zone, you go to the top and drop again. So I'm holding my NQ short. Again, overall for swing trading, it is bullish, but for scalping, it should come little bit down and again go up. Yes, and then you should do a pullback. Like in the consolidation window, it went all the way to the top. So it should drop somewhere here and then again bounce back. Because we already have NQ short, we are not taking any ES short. So as of now, we are holding NQ short, and also we are watching crude oil again. We got a sell again, PP sell. So just put your cursor. You see sellers here. Overall table is also looking bearish. So I can go ahead and enter short one more time. I put a short on crude oil. So yes, went all the way to the top. There will be a reversal on ES and NQ, some small reversal, not a big one, but some 4 5 points drop, and again they will go up. So we already have a short for NQ. We are holding that one. We have a short on crude oil. We have a short on NQ. So NQ, ES, both are dropping. So we already took a shot on NQ. And now I took a shot on ES because again, right, we got a PP cell. This is red. This is red. So there is a small drop possible. Minimum until this point, it can drop. So I took a shot on ES and shot on NQ. And also on crude oil, I have a shot. So again, we got a sell on silver. Here you have red, here you have orange. So we come all the way till this buy order block. I kept it right. I sold it around 60. I'm buying at 50. That is a $50 profit on each account. Silver is dropping, then gold also will drop. But we have to wait for that PP sell. If we get a sell from price pulse, then we can short gold also. We took a short on silver again, right? Because started dropping to the bottom. From bullish, it came to the bottom, so more drop is possible. In the same way, this is also creating that magic pattern. The gap is going increasing. There can be a nice drop. I'll buy back at 45 and 40. We shorted at 55. So if I take it 45, that is $50, that is $75. So NQ is also dropping. ES is also dropping. Crude oil also will drop. We took profits on ES. NQ also we should make profits in some time. NQ is also in profits. So we shorted at 55. We want to take profit at 45 and 40. It should come all the way down to here. LQ also I took profits. Everything got, all the limit orders got filled. So you can see that how it, right, came all the way to the bottom. In few minutes again it will start going up. Again once you get that PP by everything bullish, then again it will go up. Again we can make some 100 $150 on the upside. Silver also dropping big. You can short on copper. Again same reason. You have sell here, you have sell here, you have sell here. They come all the way till here. We took all the profits on NQ. We took all the profits on ES. Right? Because we saw that there was a big buy order block here. So based on that buy order block, we kept our target. Right? There is a 94, right? Did able for, so silver also we took profits. Silver also went all the way down. And again, because there is a buy order block here, there is a possibility for a reversal. So we took profits on ES, we took profits on NQ short, ES short, we took profits on silver short. Only thing which is pending is crude oil and copper. So copper also should make profits in some time. And again, when you copy, even though you're making 50, $100, when you copy them into 10, 20 accounts, that is like $1,000 to $1,000. If you have Take Profit Trader Pro accounts or 85 Pro accounts, then that's a huge. So do you see? We can take profits on copper. Yeah, for ES and NQ, because it went all the way to the top, I got a sell. I took it, but yeah, it is little against the trend. If you don't want to go against the trend, that's okay. But for everything else, we know crude oil is bearish, copper is bearish, silver is bearish. So whenever we got a sell signal, we took a short. For ES and NQ, yeah, we went little against because it went all the way to the top since market opened today 5 p.m. nearly until 8 p.m. it was going up. So there will be a small pullback. That's why we took a short on ESNQ, made some quick profits, and we closed it. We'll also take, maybe we can take profits on copper. Now CL also we took a short because for all of them these are bearish stickers. ES and NQ are bullish, so we took a small profits on them. We did a quick scalp. Right, again remember you can take the same trades in a personal account also. Right, you would have made $300-400. We made nearly, right, $400-500 already today evening with ENQ, ES, silver, copper. So same 3 400. If you want, you can also take in your personal accounts at the same time. So I took another $200 profit on copper. It's cheap. Right, only thing pending is crude oil. Right, everything else we took the profits. During this time, mainly you look tomorrow morning we can close the bull put spread. Before market open, we can close it and take profits. Yes, sir. Dot on T5. We already took made profits on ESNQ, so just we are waiting for crude oil. So Vinay, you delete the T3, create a new tab and try to add it again. Apex with trading view. If you take a Apex trader weight, you have to first complete the signature process and then you can connect Apex trader weight. But if you got Apex Rhythmic, you cannot connect it to trading view. Only trader weight accounts you can connect to trading view. You cannot connect to the Rhythmic accounts. Yeah, we'll see in the tomorrow setup session. Yeah, prop firms will make payments even if you do 40, $50. Yeah, yeah, PP cell is same as strong cell. Earlier we used to have T55. Now instead of T55, we are using mainly for the candles or these bars, whereas price pulse will give PP by PP cell. So we'll take some quick small profits on crude oil. Tomorrow we can make more profits. Right? We don't need to spend a lot of time during the. We already made $400, so that is good enough. So I took profit on crude oil also. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So we took profits on all the trades. Crude oil, we took very small profits. On copper, we took nearly $200 profit. On ES, we took some $50, $100 profit. In Q, we took some another $100. Silver, we took $100. So nearly $400, $500 we made profits. So again, right, it's all about waiting for the confluence. Whenever you get a PP sell or PP buy, if you get a PP sell, this should be red, this should be red, this should be red. When you get a PP buy, this should be blue, this should be green. So if it is 5 minutes US hours, then we use 5 minutes. If it is non-US hours, you look in for 1 minute and then just take the trades. Vinay, do you want to share your screen quickly?
Okay, sure. Thanks for helping. Yeah, I don't see the signals here.
Can you go to some other 3 minutes or 5 minutes? Let's see, reversal. What is your ID?
Uh, it's Kumar underscore Macha.
Vinay Kumar.
Yeah, underscore MACHHA.
Okay, I think it's not added to the reversal. So what is the other one you requested? Top trend or
I think I asked me to delete the reversal.
oh
I
you asked oh reversal, right? Okay, then I okay I deleted reversal. Okay, let me delete reversal and you wanted T3, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Two, three, I gave T3 already. Okay, let's see T3. Okay, can you? No, you are or you are using normal candles only, right?
yeah,
Okay. Um, okay. Can you go still bottom? Go further down. And can you go to the settings of T3? Click on settings. Okay, go to style. And yeah, all these are looking good. Yeah, close this. Let me go to. Well, can you go to crude oil? Crude oil, 1 minute. No, you're not seeing it. Let me do one more thing. Let me go and publish it. I need it to construct sheet 3. You can now close the tab and add a new tab. Let me create. Yeah, now add the T3 indicator. Go to 1 minute and add T3 indicator. Okay, now I think you can see it. Yeah, you can click on that auto, or you can right click on the chart on price chart. You see the T3 sell, T3 buy now.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, you can fill the form if anyone want to replace T3 or any other indicators. You can fill the Google form and I'll make the changes. Yeah. Good night, everyone. We'll talk again in the so T3 indicator has that volume table information. Good night, everyone. Talk to you in the morning.